Hello, welcome to BMX Info channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to clean up your hard drive and make your computer to perform better. Please subscribe to our channel if after trying this tip it works out for you. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar and type clean mgr. And when that pops up, go through the list of all files and folders that are occupying your hard drive space. Within your hard drive, go through them. Some of them are occupying so much space. For instance, I cleaned up mine not quite long, but you can see the recycle bin is occupying a larger chunk of the space here. So anyone you don't like, just check the box to select that particular one. Go through them and you will even see the total space being occupied by these files and folders. Go through them and check the box on anyone you want to delete. And head straight to OK button to delete the selected files that you don't need anymore. And this box will just pop up, whether you want to permanently delete them. Just click OK and wait for some time. Alright, that will delete all the files and temporary folders also, and that will make your system to perform better. Like I said earlier, don't fail to subscribe if after trying this tip your system is working fine.